Merani as well as Kunal Bothra is always with us. Kunal, you go first. Yesterday, of course, was a sharp slip that we saw in the market, slip below 19,500. From here on, do you expect a bit of a reversal, or there's a possibility that we might stare at 19,300 as well, because that's what even Lawrence Blanco was talking about?
Yeah, good morning, Nisha. So 19,300 is something which we expected a few days back when the markets were showing signs of weakness. This was actually a retest of the previous low. So, index, they tend to replicate what happens to the larger cap names. Many of the large cap stocks, they've already shown signs of weakness, come back to their July and August, start lows for themselves. Some of them have managed to breach below those levels. Some of them have just consolidated at the previous support points, which means that the indices should try and come back closer to that 90,300 levels. Now, the concern for the market is that the weakness which happens on an intraday basis, so it opens on a slight gap up node, and then on intraday basis it gets into a selling pressure. So that could make taking a trade at the start a lot more trickier. So you have to wait out for a point where the index comes back to a resistance, and then look out for initiating a fresh short.
Nooresh is also here with us. Nooresh, morning. Beyond Nifty, Bank Nifty as well, if you see the small cap, mid cap index yesterday saw early signs of some signs of capitulation, did not take support even at the 20 DMA. What are your thoughts on especially the intraday move? There was not single attempt of any pullback. It was just a one-way slide yesterday.
So there is one observation which has been there on the markets. Every last day of the month generally sees a lot of rejig. So we saw that we made a bottom last month on 31st August exactly, and we started reversing from that. That is the point where we were at 19,200, 250. And now we saw yesterday a big FII sell figure. We saw a lot of rejigs happen. So what we look out for is what happens over the next two sessions. A lot of that action happens in the last 30 minutes, 1 hour. And we saw for the whole day, the Nifty was drifting lower. The small caps were holding on, but they did see a little bit of a dip by end of the day. So overall, the view is 19,500 is a support. And from this point of time, there could be a possibility of a short-term reversal. Same is the case with the Bank Nifty. As well as the mid-cap, small-cap indices did not break the previous day lows, neither did Bank Nifty. So we watch out today. If we do not break 19,500 on a closing basis, that's actually a signal for a reversal from here and a bounce back towards 19,800 also.
Okay.